Hello friends, in this quick video I will show you how to get started with your Raspberry Pi Pico using CircuitPython, step by step from installation to running your first code. Let's get into it. Go to circuitpython.org, click downloads and select Raspberry Pi Pico which type of Pico you are using. I am using Pico W. Download the .uf2 firmware file. Hold down the boot cell button on the Pico. Plug it into your computer using a USB cable. It will appear as a new drive called RPI RP2. Copy .uf2 file and paste onto this drive. It will automatically change drive name to CircuitPy. This process for first time only. Add libraries if you need. Go to circuitpython.org and then library. Download library bundle. Extract the zip file. For example, I am using MIDI library. Copy particular library folder which you need. Paste it into Pico drive, then leave folder. Connect USB to Pi Pico but don't press the boot cell button this time. Open code editor like Mu or Thony. I am using Mu editor which is free and supports CircuitPython. Write or paste code. You can save code directly on Pico drive. The file name should be code.py. Alternative way, write code on a text file. This is a onboard LED blinking code. Rename the text file to code.py. Please note, I am changing file extension to .py. Copy the code.py and paste it into the Pico drive. You can see the onboard LED blinking code is working.